Fika love.
Girl, I gotta be next to you.
Fika love.
Girl, I gotta be next to you. I'm waiting.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click on that notification bell. So as y'all read in the title, I am doing an unboxing. I finally got my Apple Watch 3. No, not a Series 5, but a 3 because it was cheaper. And I actually got it on a deal. Instead of it being like $200, I got it for $179. So here it is. I'm so excited. I've been wanting an Apple Watch for like the longest, but I just never got around to getting myself one, so I finally did. I got this one from Amazon actually. They were doing a sale, so I was like, you know what, let me hop on this because I'm not about to pay an extra, was it $20 plus the tax that that Apple's gonna put on it and all that. So I got mine from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I guess the actual link where I got it from, I'll have it down below in the descriptions in case you guys want to order yourself one. And I also got it with Apple Care. So it came really nice because I saw some reviews where it was like it came in a different box, but there wasn't a lot like those. So I was like, you know what, let me take my chances. So yeah, time to unbox. So yeah, it came in this box right here, and it's wrapped in plastic as it would be as if I got it from the actual Apple store. Let's try to open this. Right. I'm like so excited. I feel like a little kid at Christmas and they get a present and they know what it is. Well, but they haven't seen it yet. Oh, how do I open this? Ah, there we go. So, I'm gonna slide this on out. And this part says, designed by Apple in California. Oh, there she is. Look at her. I got mine in the space gray color. And the bands, it either comes in a white band or a black band, and I wanted the black. So if I had gotten it from Walmart, they only had the white band. So that's also another reason I got it from Amazon, because the Walmart was selling it for the same price as well. And then here is this little paper, and it pretty much on the back has how to put it on. It does. It says welcome to Apple, and it shows this thing right here. So it comes with an extra band right here, and this is the size medium large. As y'all can see, I have a small wrist, so my watch came in a small medium. And then we also have a charger here on this side. But it doesn't come with an adapter, and it's the same way as if I were to buy it from the Apple store, it wouldn't have came with an adapter for the charger. I'm having difficulties, technical difficulties, y'all. Okay, I got it. So yeah, this is the charger, and then it just has this like plastic wrap on it that I'll eventually take off. And here she is. Oh my god, look. Here she is, my Apple Watch, and it comes wrapped up in this plastic right here. So here's a better view of my Apple Watch Series 3. Just gonna unwrap this part right here. Nice and smooth. All right, so let's turn her on now. All right, she's turning on, guys. And I know I'm eventually gonna have to stop recording because I do record from my iPhone, so I know I'm gonna have to sync up the phone, and I need my iPhone to do that. So I'll probably get back to you guys after that and show you more of the watch from there. Actually taking a while. Oh, never mind. There we go. Oh, I think it says it needs my phone now. All right, so I'll get back to you guys after I sync up the phone.
So after your watch is done pairing up with your phone, it's pretty much going to have you set up your watch for the most part. So picking the wrist you want it on, what side you want your dial on, and then enabling some of the different applications, as well as setting up your activity and picking what goals you want to achieve.
I'm currently waiting for it to be done syncing. As you guys can see, it's not even halfway done right now, but we're getting there. So pretty much as you going through the basics. And then it gives you a check mark as you go through each. So it shows you how to go through the displays and swipe. It's basically showing you how to use your Apple Watch. I was about to call it iPhone. How to use your Apple Watch for the most part. So I also wanted to let you guys know that on the box, like this part is like raised up too. So like it feels pretty cool. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like slightly raised up. So like the Series 6 is like painted on the box, but this is slightly raised. So I'm currently still waiting for it to finish syncing. It's almost done actually. Just a few more minutes, I hope. So after my watch was done syncing up with my phone, I was pretty much just scrolling through to see what was included and the different apps that I could install. I was also trying to figure out how to sync up my photo albums to be my watch face as well. And if y'all don't know Mickey, I have loved him since I was a little girl. And I know that Mickey and Minnie can actually talk to you on the Apple Watch if you click on it. So I was excited to use that feature. And I was also pretty surprised at how many watch faces that Apple gives you. Like there's so many options to choose from. Alright guys, so it is all synced up. So let me put this on. I've watched a lot of videos and a lot of people struggle to put this on. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, so let's try this again. And let's see. There we go, that's better. I just put a background of New York for now. And let me put in my passcode so I can show you guys what's on it. And here's the other stuff. So I'll probably do what's on my Apple Watch video eventually once I learn how to use this properly and maybe get some more apps, because right now I just have some basics. So pretty much the apps that the watch comes with and the app, some apps from my phone. And then I really like how you could customize it. I eventually want to add like a picture of myself as well, or like pictures of me or whomever I want to put on my background, but I have to learn it more. And I heard Mickey, the Mickey Mouse one, talks to you, so he tells you the time, but I haven't figured that out yet either. So once I do, I'll make a video and show you guys what's on my Apple Watch. I don't know if you could tell, but like the background moves as well. You see how the clouds just move? It's pretty cool. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys want me to do a what's on my Apple Watch video once I get the hang of this and add some more apps to this and stuff like that and actually start using it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments down below, and love you guys. Bye.
We got love.